Hello guys, welcome to another session of our financial literacy journey or our investment journey. So today we are going to be talking about the steps involved in starting your investment journey, basically your stocks investment. So what are the steps one needs to follow to create an account before you can start trading in stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange? So first of all, you have to you know get a licensed broker. So there are so many brokerage firms in Ghana. Some are locally, firms, and some are international firms. So some of the local firms, we have, Databank Securities, we have SIC Securities. Then we have First Atlantic Securities, UMB, and so many other, local firms. Then some of the recognized international brokerage firms are IC Securities, XM Securities, Pepperstone Securities, Avatree, and then uh, XNex. Yes. So ETC, we have so many other international brokerage firms which operate in Ghana. So now, after having a fair idea of these brokerage firms, you have to at least maybe make your research to see which one best suits you. You understand? So, for instance, if you choose IC Securities, so you now then IC Securities happens to, you know, have a mobile app. In fact, almost all the brokerage firms, have websites where you can go and have access to their facilities, and then to create an account and be part of them. And few of them also have double to also have mobile apps. So these mobile apps you can at least download on your phone, and then instead of going to the website, you can be using the app. So now, after picking one firm to deal with, you then register an account with that firm. So if you register the account, there are so many. What I mean by so many, it's not like it's enormous. No, there are steps you have to follow before your account can be created for you, and it takes not less than an hour to do that, provided you have all the requirements available. So the second step will be to, you know, wait for your CSD account to be created. You know, I mentioned earlier what CSD is all about. So CSD is a central security depository. So just like your Momo wallet, so it's the same thing. That's where your stocks can be kept. Yes. So now, after getting your CSD, you can now you know uh, make research about the type of stock you want to invest. There are so many stocks listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange. So you decide, oh, like this company is doing well, so let me invest in the company. So you do that analysis and then seek financial advice if you care to get one. So after you know pinpointing that particular stock or stocks, you go ahead. So the fourth step will be you go ahead and load your account. So you deposit funds into your account. Then the fifth step will be the trading, the buying. So you now instruct your broker to buy the shares on your behalf. So usually if you place an order, it takes 3 working days before it can be executed. These firms, when you place an order, it doesn't mean that someone is you know also patiently waiting for you to sell. Sometimes you can place an order like maybe 50 or 100 shares of MTN. So the brokerage firm or the broker will search to see which other client is willing to sell his or her 50 shares or 100 shares. So sometimes it takes a bit of time to, get a match between a buyer and a seller. So until that is done, you have to wait patiently. So as soon as the broker finds someone who is willing to sell, then he will purchase the shares, and it will you get an alert, a message that, oh, your shares has been purchased. And sometimes it can be indicated executed on the app, but it will take at least a day or two to reflect on your portfolio. So when that happens, you don't need to panic. You don't be like, oh, why is it that I've purchased the shares? It has gone through and I've not seen it. Have I been scammed? Or no, no, there's nothing like that. There's so much security and then confidence in the system. So no one can scam you. Yes. So basically, these are the steps one needs to follow before you can create an account and start your stock investment.